Metro City.
You may have found my secret lair, cat ninja, but you're too late. Your feeble feline brain is no match for Master Hamster.
Cat Ninja, silent master of cat foo in The Great Hamster Heist, Part 1.
An enemies list, or something even more diabolical? Who knows what evil lurks in the heart of hamsters?
Thanks to my genius robot's rocket boots, TM, I make my escape. But know this, very soon all of Metro City will bow to me. Get off me, you fiendish furball! You'll crash us both! Fool! You are no match for my electro-powered intellect! The reign of rodents is here!
But Cat Ninja uses his secret feline freefall to safely angle his descent. Whoa, is that a cat? Dressed as a ninja?
OMG, he's so cute! I got to get a pic.
Weird, dude.
Can Ninja Cat have fishy, please? Lols.
Hey, Claude, look, it's another Cat Ninja meme. Little does anyone suspect that Metro City's protector is a hero by night, a house cat by day. Fishy, please. Ha, these are the best. And a surprisingly popular meme. Got a comment. Let's see. Password is CL Claude. Boy, do you know anyone who doesn't use their pet's name for their password?
Leon, breakfast!
Coming, Mom. Come on, chow time.
Leon, where's Mr. Squeaks?
Huh? How should I know?
He's not in his cage. You did something with him, didn't you?
Why would I do something with your silly hamster?
'Cause you're jealous. Mr. Squeaks! There you are. Time for yum-yums. Yum-yum time. Interlude. Origin story starring Cat Ninja and Master Hamster.
Years ago, a young kitten wanders the mean streets of Metro City.
Well, look at you, you poor thing. I suppose you're hungry, aren't you? Oh, you're a quiet one, aren't you? Quiet and hungry. In need of a helping hand? Oh, I just love this movie. He defends a whole village from gangsters. Very heroic.
Hey, old lady, hand over your purse, Grandma, now!
Oh, dear. And here I hoped you were going to offer to help me with all these bags.
Ow! Oof! Crazy old lady! Ow! I give!
Meanwhile, as the flower of justice was beginning to bloom in young Cat Ninja's heart, the foul seed of evil was sprouting in a hidden laboratory.
At last, I, Dr. Van Malice, have perfected my mind transfer device. Now I will use my genius intellect to transfer my brain energy into this nigh indestructible robot menace. Once awakened, my robot shall conquer. Eh? Mr. Squeaks, I told you not to bother me when I'm monologuing. Bad hamster. Now, stay out of Mummy's way. I've got a city to conquer before supper. No, I'm getting too much feedback. It's going to...
But fate had a different plan that day, as the meek little hamster fell into the path of the scientist's beam of electro-brain energy.
X2 plus Y2 equals world domination.
The Great Hamster Heist, Part 2.
Boy, do you know anyone who doesn't use their pet's name for their password?
Has our hero discovered the true nature of Master Hamster's wicked plans? True cat genius is a thing to behold. Later that night, the Metro City Bank. Cat Ninja spies Master Hamster inside the bank with his gang of rodent thugs.
Hurry up with that supercomputer, gerbil gang. We don't have all night.
Come on, you mugs! The boss needs those names!
My plan is so simple it's genius. What's the one thing pet owners have in common? They all use their pets' names for their passwords. Foolish animal lovers. It's been easy sending my gerbil gang throughout the city to steal pet names. Even easier was creating the mathematical formula to extrapolate passwords from those names. Soon, I'll have hacked the bank account of every pet owner in Metro City. With all that money, I'll build an army of super robots. Just watch Cat Ninja try to stop me then. Huh?
Access denied.
Why isn't it working? Everyone's changing their passwords. How? How could they know?
Just a few hours earlier. Losers use pet name passwords. Lols. Oh dear. A ninja cat thinks I'm a loser? Better change that password. I'll use my son's name instead.
This is all Cat Ninja's doing. I just know it. I don't know how he did it, but I know it was that pathetic Puss in Boots.
Boss, I know you're busy monologuing and all, but...
Gerbil Gang, now's the time, my underlings. Get that cat!
You heard the man, boys. Let's teach this cat ninja a lesson.
Note to self, get bigger underlings. Groundhogs, maybe. You've won this time, Cat Ninja, but I'll be back. You will never be rid of me. Ha ha ha!
Happy birthday, dear Leon.
I want to pick.
Say cheese.